This documentary explores how participating in intramural sports helps individuals grow, learn about themselves, and shape their identities. Through personal stories, we'll see how teamwork, challenges, and social connections foster self-reflection and personal growth. Intramurals offer more than just competition. They help build self-awareness, confidence, and a sense of belonging. Join us as we uncover how these experiences shape who we are, both on and off the field.
One of the major things I've learned in being in intramurals is that communication is the key to winning. That way, we can foster teamwork and we can win together.
I learned that I'm lacking compassion in the field of sports. So during intramurals, nakita ko yung mga nagba-basketball doon. So ever since kasi nung bata ko, gusto ko talagang sumali ng basketball. Kaso nga lang, I'm lacking compassion. So kinulang ko sa time para i-harness yung sariling skills ko kasi nga nung kabataan ko, ang ginagawa ko lang, panay phone lang ako, ganyan, panay nood lang ako. So ayun, hindi ko siya na-harness. So, parang naiinggit lang din ako na tignan na ang gagaling din talaga ng mga players natin. So, ayun, nalaman ko na na yung skill kasi pwede siyang ma-harness. So, it means yung skill ko hindi ko siya na-harness para maging maging player din ng CBA. Even though gustong-gusto kong sumali kasi nga parang feeling ko kaya ko naman. Pero wala, I'm lacking skills, tsaka hindi rin ako confident sa skill set ko, lalo sa basketball. So, ayun po, as a part of CBA, parang nagiging moral support na lang din ako para sa kanila, para gawin na lang best nila. Thank you.
Actually, when I joined intramurals, I felt more confident since I got to join in badminton and I become a player. That's all.
Dun intramurals, siguro na-feel ko na hindi talaga ako para sa sports. Kasi PC ko pa lang hindi napasok eh. And also yung mindset ko, tsaka more on kasi ako more on esports kasi ako. So ayun, nalaman kong hindi talaga ako para sa bagay na yun. So ayun na lang.
Yes, because being part in intramurals, we actually need to win. But I lose, unfortunately. But I realized that winning is not the most important thing to me. It's the lesson I've learned from playing badminton and from my mistakes while playing badminton in intramurals.
I guess yes. So pwede natin ditong ipasok yung festival dance. So being part of festival dance, that time sa tingin ko hindi pala siya about individual skills. Hindi siya about individual talents, but thus it is about teamwork. So during festival dance, I guess nagkaroon kami ng conflict ng buong department namin. So ayun, dahil doon nawalan kami ng teamwork, and ayun, so it means na malaking bagay talaga yung teamwork para maging success yung buong team. So in conclusion, I guess teamwork is a major part of being part of an organization or like festival. So ayun, dapat nating i-foster yung teamwork para maging success. Hindi lang dapat natin iisip yung sariling skills natin na kunwari magaling tayo. So naman kung magaling ka, dapat alam mo pa rin kung dapat makikisabay ka pa rin sa iba, kasi if that happens na sa tingin mo ikaw yung mataas sa iba, mali ka doon. Dapat gawin mong pantay. So magkakaroon kayo ng pinaka same platform. So maiintindihan mo sila, at the same time maiintindihan ka din nila, which fosters teamwork, and ayun, na maglilid po sa pagkapanalo niyo. So thank you.
Naging siyempre masaya. Tapos ayun, nag-enjoy naman. at parang nakalimutan ko yung mga iisipin ko mga problema at doon na nag-enjoy.
So I can say that I feel excited and a bit nervous about our department, especially the CBA department is one of the champion of Trimex Colleges when it comes to sports and sports. Yeah.
Siguro ngayon na paglalaro talaga ng basketball. Parang sa panonood ko na parang na-motivate ulit ako bumalik sa paglalaro ng basketball. Yeah.
I learned that it is very, very important to be calm and to assure the essence of sportsmanship during the play and during the event, because it is very important to someone that you know how to develop your calmness and your good attitude towards others department. And what I learned is it is better to be good na lang, hindi na lang basta-basta magkasata na kung ano, para at least na rin yung bawat isa. And
Naging competitive. Competitive. Yun lang.
so since I am part of the media of Trimex Colleges, it is a privilege and it is very important to be around during the moment of the play. Because without the media, di maka-coverage yung mga magandang part, yung mga magandang spot ng laro, especially mga epic photos na pwedeng i-share sa iba and pwede rin gamitin next week. Ngayon.
As intramural supporters, we felt deeply connected to the games. While not playing, we became an essential part of the experience, motivating our friends and sharing in their victories. Supporting our teams taught us about teamwork and cooperation, and through this, we bonded with others. Our collective enthusiasm made us feel proud and part of something bigger, showing that being a supporter can be just as meaningful as playing.